Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and are ready for today's class. In our last class we completed chapter 4, okay? And today I'm going to discuss the exercise work of chapter 4, okay? So let's start the class, okay? So first one are name the following. So here are 5 name the following. So let's discuss them. The first name the following is ductless glands which release their secretion into blood streams. So what are the ductless glands that release their secretion into blood stream? So these are endocrine glands. Clear? So endocrine glands are the ductless gland and they secrete and they release their secretion directly into blood stream. Now let's come to the second one. And the second one is which gland is called master gland. Okay, so I think you all know. So this is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is known as master gland because it controls the secretion of all the endocrine glands. Okay, so answer will be pituitary gland. Okay, so third name the following is which gland is called emergency gland. So it is adrenal gland. Okay, so adrenal gland is called gland of emergency. Okay, clear? Now the fourth one and the fourth one is name the disease caused due to dietary deficiency of iodine. So which disease is caused due to the dietary deficiency? Means the deficiency of iodine into our diet. So that is goiter. Okay, so you have seen in our throat something like something get swelled. Okay, so we see the swelling in our throat. Okay, so that is goiter. Okay, so goiter disease is caused due to the dietary deficiency of iodine. Next, the fifth one, name the gland having dual function. Dual means two functions. So this is pancreas. Okay, so pancreas gland secrete 2 hormones. Okay, so in this way it perform dual function. As well as it is also pancreas gland is also perform dual function because it performs it act as an endocrine gland as well as exocrine gland. Okay, so that's why we can say that it have dual function like exocrine gland as well as like an endocrine gland. Okay, so answer will be pancreas. Now let's come to the fill in the blanks. Okay, so here are 5 fill in the blanks of this chapter. First fill in the blanks, deficiency of cause diabetes. So deficiency of insulin hormone in our body called diabetes. Okay, now let's come to the second one. It's called stress hormone. So which hormone is called stress hormone? So it is adrenaline. So adrenaline hormone is called stress hormone. Okay, so it will be the answer. Now let's come to the third fill in the blanks. Okay, so third fill in the blanks, testes secrete in males. So testes secrete sex hormones in males. Okay, so testes the organs that is present in males and secrete the sex hormones in males. Now let's come to the fifth fill in the blanks. And fifth fill in the blanks is saying dash regulate the calcium and phosphorus in the body. So which one regulate the calcium and phosphorus in our body? So that is parathyroid gland. Okay, so parathyroid gland secrete hormones and that hormone regulate the calcium and phosphorus in our body. Next is called master gland in human body. So which one is called master gland? So in name the following we also discuss about that. Okay, तो it is pituitary gland. तो pituitary gland is known as master gland in human body. Hope name the following, all name the following, and all fill in the blanks are clear to all of you. Okay, you have no doubt related to the name the following and fill in the blanks. Okay, now let's come to write true or false statement and correct the incorrect statement. Okay, now let's come to them. So it is, the first one is thyroxine hormone cause shrinkage in early growing age. Okay, so it is true. Okay, so first one is true. Now let's come to the second one, and it is saying pancreas release emergency hormone, okay, i.e. adrenaline hormone. तो pancreas release emergency hormones. No, it is false. Pancreas do not release an emergency hormone या adrenaline hormone. तो this hormone is secreted by adrenal gland. तो here should be adrenal. Okay, adrenal gland release emergency hormone या adrenaline hormone. Okay, pancreas do not release. Pancreas release insulin hormone, not this one. Okay, so it is false. Now the third one, parathyroid gland regulate calcium and phosphorus balance in the body. Okay, so it is true. Okay, so parathyroid gland regulate calcium and phosphorus balance in the body. Okay, so it is correct. Now come to the next one, glucagon lowers blood sugar level. So it will be false. Okay, so glucagon do not lower the blood sugar level, it increases the blood sugar level. Okay, it is insulin. Insulin lowers blood sugar level. Okay, so here should be insulin, not glucagon. Okay, so it will be false. Okay, now so we have completed the exercise work of chapter 4. Okay, so we discuss name the following, fill in the blanks, okay, and write true or false statement and correct the incorrect statement. Okay, so we discuss all that. Okay, so now let's come to short question answer of chapter 4. Okay, so these are the short question answer of chapter 4, and the first short question is, what are hormones and what is the role of hormone in our body? Okay, so first of all try to understand what are hormones. So hormones are the chemical substance which are secreted from endocrine glands. Okay, and their role, so hormones regulate most of the metabolic and other activities inside our body. Okay, so it is the answer of question 1. Now let's come to question number 2. Write differences between endocrine and exocrine gland. Okay, so here are the differences between endocrine and exocrine gland. So let's come to first difference. So first difference is endocrine gland. So these are ductless and release their secretion into the blood streams. Okay, and exocrine gland, these have ducts and they carry their secretion to a specific place in the body. Okay, so it is the first difference. Now the second difference, to secretory substance hormones. Okay, so endocrine gland secrete hormone and exocrine gland, so they secrete enzymes, sweat, saliva and milk. Okay, so these are the secretion of exocrine gland. Now let's come to question number 3. What is the effect of growth hormone imbalance produced in human body? Okay, so what is the effect of growth hormone imbalance produced in human body? So answer is over secretion of growth hormone may cause gigantism in human, and due to the under secretion, means due to deficiency of growth hormone in a person, cause midget or dwarf is. Okay, so due to over secretion person may be very much tall, and due to deficiency so person may be dwarf. Okay, now the fourth question, what are the functions of thyroxine hormone? So the function of thyroxine hormone is it play vital role in digestion, heart and muscle function, brain development and maintenance of both. So these all are the functions of thyroxine hormone. Okay, now let's come to question number 5. Okay, so this is question number 5. Write full form of BMR. So the full form of BMR is basal metabolic rate. Okay, so these are the 5 short question answer short answer type questions. Okay, so that we discuss. Now long answer type questions. So first question, write difference between endocrine gland in human body and their location and function. Okay, so we have to write different endocrine gland in human body and their location and function. Okay, so its answer you will get on page number 57. Okay, so on page number 57 its answer is, okay, in the table that is given on page number 57. Now let's come to the second long question. So second long question is, what are hormones? Okay, and what are the characteristics of hormones? So hormones, as we already discussed, hormones are the chemical messengers and which regulate most of the metabolic and other activities inside our body. Okay, and hormones are secreted by endocrine gland. So you all know, and hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. Okay, and they are the chemical messengers and regulate most of the metabolic and other activity inside our body. And characteristics of hormones. Okay, so here are given 6 characteristics of hormones. First is, hormones are specific chemical messengers. Okay, second, hormones are secreted by endocrine gland, and third, hormones are poured directly into blood. Fifth, hormones are mostly proteinaceous in nature. Sixth, hormones immediately disappear after their action is over. Okay, so these are the 6 characteristics. Hope you all understand. Now come to the third long question answer. Explain dual function of pancreas in human body. Okay, so its answer is, the pancreas has 2 main functions: an exocrine function that help in digestion, and endocrine function that regulate blood sugar level. Okay, so pancreas gland perform function like exocrine gland as well as endocrine glands. Okay, so as exocrine gland it help in digestion, and as exocrine gland it control blood sugar level. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 3. Now question 4, name sex hormone in human body and changes caused by these hormones in male and female's body. So its answer is male sex hormone. So testosterone is male sex hormone and it is produced by testes. And function of testosterone hormone. So testosterone hormones regulate primary sexual characteristics in male and produce male gamete sperm. Okay, so now female sex hormone. So estrogen and progesterone are the female sex hormones and they are produced by ovaries. Okay, so ovary produce estrogen and progesterone sex hormone, and the function, estrogen control menstrual cycle in females and is important for childbearing. And function of progesterone hormone, so progesterone maintain pregnancy in females. Okay, so this is the answer of question 4. Hope you all understand. Next, 5th question, write a note why pituitary gland is called master gland. Okay, तो why pituitary gland is called master gland? तो pituitary gland is known as master gland because it controls the functions of many of the other endocrine glands. Okay, so that's why pituitary gland is known as master gland. Okay, so these all are the question answer of chapter 4. Okay, so we have completed all the exercise work and question answer of chapter 4. Okay, in our next class we will start chapter 5. Okay, so that's all for today class. Let's meet in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.